Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno 5 Lite and we are going to check how this device works when you put on the display the tempered glass, so I mean the fingerprint sensor test. Let's try how fast it works and if it is reliable. Okay, so as you can see, the sensor works quickly, it's responsible, and there's no problem with the sensitivity, so we don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on display in this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.